All right, let's see how this goes. One thing I did have to do is raise up my center platform there. Right here, I've got two cutoffs underneath there to give me the parallel base to these wooden pieces that I've added. And the way I've got my router set, I haven't changed a thing. I've left it at the same cutting radius as the top. So I'm going to make that first initial pass and take my time, and I'm actually going to be cutting with the rotation of the bit. I'm going to take it nice and slow. I should be going counterclockwise, but I don't want to, in here I don't want to be lifting this grain where if I was going counterclockwise this would be fine, but this would lift on me, so I want to come this way and have that support behind it as I cut it. I suppose I could cut each of them, half and half, but I need to get some more blocks underneath here. Okay, we should be okay. All right, let's see how it goes here. Worked out very nicely. Now I'm going to come inside and do the inside, and I'll probably have to take that in a few passes because there's some parts that are really thick. And I've got to get out to this thinnest dimension, which is right here. So let me reset my, or no, before I do that, I want to do the outside again. I think I want to make one more pass along the outside, just a hair. Just a nice light pass, so I get everything flushed up just perfect. I mean, it's so close, it's unbelievable right now, but I'm just going to take just that little kiss off of here. My repair is just barely touched, so I'm going to set this and make a mark here with a pencil, and then just tap it in just a little bit. Let's see, where's my pencil? Just about the width of a pencil line is all. Let's see what that gets me here. That is nice. Well, that's my only burn spot, I believe. I'll get that sanded out. Alright, now we'll go on the inside and make this lip. So I'm going to loosen this up. Right there's my thinnest, I believe. Take it over here where it's probably the thickest. Oh yeah. I got like 2 widths of the blade to remove. So let me back this off some more yet. We'll go about half the thickness. I don't have a lot to do with this setting, I believe. I've just got this little section right through here and maybe over here a little bit. All right, it's coming along pretty good. I just got probably about 3 more passes to make. So I'll come back and show you the finished results. Okay, a couple of things that I learned when doing this. One thing I probably should have done is used a bigger bit instead of this 1/4 inch bit. And the other thing is I should have bandsawed these arcs a little more consistently. I've got some thin areas out here, but I'm not going to take it all the way out to that. I'm going to take this and feather it in, and then I'm just going to leave it go at that. It's going to be fine. It's one of those things that's underneath the table and it's not going to be visible. You got to remember there's going to be a skirt board on here, which if anybody's reaching under the table, that's what they're going to reach and grab first. So I'm going to do a little hand sanding. I'm going to take my chisel and kind of feather that edge in a little bit, and then I'm just going to round these over. And it's looking pretty nice. I like the way it's looking. Then I've got to do the sand the outside edge here. Put my round overs on, and I'll do that with this circle jig on the bottom side. On the top side, I'll do it with a bearing, a guide bearing. I do it on this side too, but this is going to be a little tippy, so I think it'd be better just to do it like this with this setup. But first I'm going to do some sanding and some other things. There it is after a couple laps using 100 grit paper. It really feels good right now. So, but I'll keep going with the other grits and just keep working my way around. I was able to get rid of that burning with my scraper and a little sanding, but you can't even hardly tell where it was anymore. And by the time I get through the other grits, why, it'll be gone. So it's nice. It's looking really nice. I want to get this sanding done, and then I'm rethinking what I'm going to do here on this edge. I was thinking about using a 1/4 round, but I'm concerned about the voids maybe and the chipping. So I may just hand sand this, you know, a little deeper than I have it now. But that'll take care of itself. I like the look of it right now, actually. So we'll see what it looks like when I get done with going through the other grits, and then we'll come back.